Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today me working here meter room, maybe 101 9 floor. Maybe today work 6 this one and tanking. You check defense. This one maximum. This side to this side 26 maximum. After this side water meter coming. Okay, like this one get bulb downside, one upside. Maybe this one 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like this 9 floor, 9 flat, one number floor 9 flat. But this side meter coming 115 coming, or you see upside like this, 1 inch. This side flat 2 meter room 1 inch, and after toilet and kissing wiring 3 4, and main wiring you see 2 inch, you see 2 inch coming like this, upside top like this coming, one gate bulb, one union. After this side coming rounding, one gate bulb, one union. After all separate this water going. After digital meter coming, this side one PVC tray fixing. Every meter one PGU coming. This one digital meter coming. No gas coming this side, reading check only, net check, computer check, digital meter. But today this side my work. Okay, inshallah, maybe me mind coming every day, my working site coming, electrical and plumbing and firing and telephone, big project, but me be decent. All guys follow me. Thank you.